box. It's like $800 brand new on Amazon. 2019. So it's like, it's not. It's working! We got it!
Well, hey y'all, welcome back to Doug's Cars. This is going to be episode 9 of Rover Rescue. I don't know what's in store for us tonight. I know they're working on the red Range Rover. I brought a battery and some oil for my black Range Rover, so there could be all kinds of things going on tonight. Stay tuned, let's see what happens.
It's lower! Why is it
How many more bolts are holding that thing on?
Yeah. Did you know how Miata?
How many more bolts hold that on?
Lowering
Oh, there you go, okay.
Things is in.
Hey, one starter.
Hey, you got a spider boy.
Oh, hey there, brother. Look how clean that one part is.
Hey, brother!
I mean,
What?
Oh,
It's
yeah,
broken because of the way it is.
It's rebuildable. You can tell it is because of the way it is. Oh, yeah, man. She's mint. Yeah. Low mileage.
Don't mind those hammer marks.
Oh, man.
these bushings are not low mileage though.
Early?
Man, those are a little past it.
You met that guy?
Want some bushings, anybody?
A bunch of random
This one's actually not too bad underneath here, other than the fact that it needs that starter. It does have these. Awesome. Let's see, I just bolted on these. These are apparently in high demand by just about everybody. Well, this one's coming down until the starter can be rebuilt, because that's what's necessary. What are you going to do when you get the tailgate open?
Open the tail? I don't know. I gotta shove the screwdriver in there. That's how I got mine open. Well, we'll find out. The guy said it didn't open. Mike, want some paper towels?
Hey, Costco paper towels, anybody? Think fast. Oh, that sounded promising.
I know. I'm trying to do what I did. Stop.
Hey.
Sorry. Thanks, Troy. I had to pull the thing.
Are those shocks good? Oh, yes!
That's the most valuable thing on this.
That would be so good shocks. Was it worth breaking?
Are they really?
Bone, Troy? Sorry.
You've got another hip on, don't you?
Yeah, that one died with one of the other Range Rovers.
Oh, okay.
Probably about to get her hip replaced anyway.
Holy shit. We got another oil change in here.
Oh, yeah? 7 quarts?
Transmission.
Fluids. Let somebody else have some. See, all of these random fluids that we're finding on this really make me concerned for the condition of this vehicle. It's a British car.
Yeah, the fluids come in as fast as they come out.
Mint.
If it's not leaking, it's because it doesn't have oil.
It's transmission fluid, guys. It's no big deal. Look, he said he's got an axle in here.
Oh, yeah.
It's the first time I've opened the back of this.
Mats. Some
Mats
mold.
for the boys.
I'm glad the tailgate's carpeted.
It's really a nice feature.
It's nicely carpeted.
Class, you peasants. This thing lost its class decades ago. It's coming back into class.
Yeah.
It's gone full class circle.
It's class president.
And this piece of wood trim is the nicest thing in the car. Oh, and the velour feels nice and soft still. How long do you think it'll take him to rebuild that starter?
Tomorrow.
Oh, nice. Okay.
Yeah.
It'd be nice to see if this thing starts.
Turn it over.
Obviously, it's not going to run or drive anywhere with the bushings. What you giving it power for?
I don't know.
Oh, okay.
Swinging it now.
All right.
Probably need power for winging it.
Oh, yeah. It beeps.
Good, it works. Done.
Fix your car, man.
For you, $120, please.
That'll be $80.
Which relay are you checking? Fuel pump?
Yep. We're just going to hit her with some power and see if it squirts out some fuel.
That sounds like a plan.
The jumper on?
No, I know what it is.
Oh, it's the starter wire?
Yeah.
Would you like to have the battery disconnected before you do that?
If there's no power.
Well, the jump box just turned off, so yeah.
So I'm going to trust the fact.
Well, the jump box is off, so.
Yes, I'm going to trust the fact that the battery has about half a volt in it and the jump box is off. And it worked. Turn it on.
Oh, I hear a chime.
Success.
It's already jumped?
No.
Troy's about to try to start this thing.
I was going to make a joke about no starter being in it, but I'm going to not.
Let's see.
Turn downs work.
Yeah, everything lights up nicely.
Is this our pole starter?
Pole starter.
But I can't fucking.
No, nothing?
It's also not
Bolts up? Sorry. There's no like backing.
So is the low fuel light on at all?
It's possible.
Just stay clear of that area there.
Yeah, it's fine.
Can't be anything live in there anymore. It's.
I want to use.
Oh, it looked like it was turning.
Oh, kind of shit gas.
What is this?
Is this going to be like the Thor test?
Yeah. Like the.
I think it's the worst.
You know,
Harder, not harder
sword
test.
thing.
Hey,
Hey, that.
That's why I get paid to
Oh yeah. Ooh,
Are those progressive?
lovely.
Yeah, I don't know if this is going to work.
I'm not sure. It's are there like dual chamber?
What is that?
No,
This is
so
brown
it's one
shit.
chamber,
Yuck.
and then
Pushing it?
push it. Push it. It wasn't. I heard it kick on. We're gonna push it with our hands and feet.
Yep.
Who's driving?
He's driving.
Hey, just jump right in.
He's the daintiest of us. Oh man, this
Oh, why are we doing this?
This is how I look. Are we sure that it's not low range?
Yeah.
We've done this.
it would still be in neutral.
We've literally done this before with mine. It was in fucking low range.
Yeah, this kind of sucks.
Yeah, this is gonna take all night.
It's going to take all night.
Well, we're not to the downhill
Yeah,
part.
fuck this. Let's show it.
Almost
Just so
downhill. Oh my god.
It's not downhill till we get out there.
Almost there.
Almost there.
With 5 people on flat ground. Well, we figured
Well,
out it was really not.
but it was actually only 4 pushing.
You're there. Keep on my back.
We got the Jetta.
It's working. We got it.
Here, let me get.
Don't worry about the tow vehicle. We got it.
Wait, this is a terrible idea. Just let me pull this out.
No, we're using an actual tow vehicle.
Nope.
That thing is stuck in here now. Sorry.
Yep. This has got to be better with this.
Why is it smoking so much?
Is it smoking? I mean, it's a Land Rover. It's supposed to smoke.
What an embarrassing vehicle.
There's no tow hitch on it?
There's no hitch on this.
You didn't put a new bumper on this one.
There's no hitch on the Audi either.
I mean, I have a hook.
Under the cover?
It's not. What's the point? There's. What an. Get this abomination away.
We can use one of the. I've got the little screw-in eye for the i3. We can tow it with that.
Yes.
Yeah, let's tow with the Volvo. That makes sense. Well, it doesn't have a tow hitch either.
It's got something.
Oh, okay. Roof rack?
Yeah. Just sit in the back seat and hold on.
Oh, it's definitely got Moxie. I know. It's a Volvo station wagon. This thing will haul anything. Scrape them.
Hard driver. Talking about Alex, you're talking about which one to do.
Alex, stop.
Keep going. Hey, keep going.
I don't know.
Keep going. Keep going.
How do I do
Keep
this?
going. Stop. Hard passenger. Yep. All right. Yep. Yep.
All right.
Yep. Yep. All right. Yep. Yep.
Yep.
Okay. All right. Yep. All right. Yep. All right.
Are you even watching?
Yeah, I can see it. away. Jeez, there's like 4 feet. That's cool. I don't need 4 feet.
Hey, come on back!
Come on. I can't fucking Troy fuck from here.
Come on back!
You have a front set point?
It's got to be a little like one of those little metal hoops down there, maybe. Just hook it to the air dam. It's fine.
Well, he's got front wipers.
It's-
He's got headlight wipers.
Oh, yeah.
Right to that.
Yep, that'll work. Yeah, license plate.
That's directional.
It'll go right around that.
All right, bud, turn it around.
Your car smells like ass. Your car smells like ass.
Is that a GameCube in there?
Do you smell that?
Where are you going?
Is that a beer in his cup holder?
Turn around, man. You said you could hook it up from the front. I'm gonna fight you.
What do you guys got? GameCube or something?
I'm gonna go home and nap. I drink some water for the first time today.
At this point, I think it's not a nap. It's go to bed.
Troy forgets some people work for a living.
Hey,
Yes.
what are you doing with your fucking cock ring over there, bud? Just fucking sit in it.
It's the ball thing that swings back and forth.
Hey, why were you using this before?
Because we didn't have a hitch before. What the fuck are you doing over here? We're pulling it from the front. You goofy child.
Shackles to your
That's the newest piercing.
Anybody but Troy.
This is a great idea.
Oh, perfect. It's Troy.
Send it. Old Saint send it himself.
Yeah.
Turn the music off. You need to hear directions. Just be responsible here. Go ahead. Pull up a bit there. And then go on.
Folks, this is how you move a Range Rover.
We're gonna push it into that hole. Okay. Well, the Land Rover is in literally the worst spot ever. Here, I'm in this. Hey, what are you doing?
I'll listen to Tyler. Don't forget who's in charge.
You have nowhere to go.
Behind the building, jackass. Tyler, you listen to him over me. I'm not hiring you. Go! Where the fuck are you going? He's moving back. He's moving behind the building. There's a whole area over there. We could be halfway down there by now. Whoops, slow. Oh my god. That's better!
That's not in the way. It's
Start
coming.
cutting the other way, Troy. Yeah.
If only the starter worked.
Hey, stop!
Oh, the drive shaft fell down?
Yeah, I drove shotgun down.
It's the quietest Range Rover ever.
Awesome BMW.
You're good?
Yeah, it's 7 Series. They're not worth anything.
That's good, stop.
That looks healthy.
It's probably fine.
Yes! I almost had it.
Out of your forehead.
yourself.
Straighten the wheel. I enjoy driving.
The most confident driver we have.
Is he?
That's
Wait, you said confident or competent?
confident.
Oh, okay, yeah. No, I back that up.
This looks like a straight parking job.
Nothing straight about track.
All right.
Perfect. Oh my god.
Nailed it.
Gonna.
Well, y'all, sometimes you win some, sometimes you lose, and we just gotta get that starter rebuilt before we can get that one going, but a lot of cool projects going on here. Thanks y'all so much for watching. Please continue to like, share, subscribe, and watch. I'm going to bring you a lot more other things other than just Rover Rescue, I promise, but I will keep bringing you Rover Rescue as long as I can, and they need a lot of work. So you'll be seeing this for a long time coming. Thanks y'all for watching.